Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Out with the Traxxas Bandit and a few other rigs. We're gonna do some testing today. Got a few of the fellas coming out. I just got this rig, so I've been doing my little tweaks to it. So far it's been going good. I'm not sure why I grabbed it. I just wanted to make a two-wheel drive fast car. I like the way the Bandits were set up. I know you could stretch them, but I don't plan on it. Also, I have my Street Eliminator RS4. We have an event coming up this weekend, so I'm trying to make sure all my class cars are right. So that's what I'm going to be testing today. So you guys stay tuned. It's kind of windy out, so anyway. Alright, YouTube, we're going to do some testing with the Bandit. We'll get his first hit in. I did do some changes. Put in the wheelie bar from the other time y'all seen it. Forgot to mention y'all, I'll probably show y'all after, but that's a 3800 Castle, and I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a BLX. And then just whatever I had laying around, I threw it in there just to make something. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get one more hit in with the Bandit, and then we'll try another rig. I know I probably said that already, but just fooling around, so see how it goes. Alright guys, I did a little bit more tuning to the RS4. We're gonna see how it gets on. See how it likes it. I also got some new foams coming for it. I gotta break them in when they come, hopefully before this weekend even. Sorry about the wind, guys. I started wobbling in the bed. You see that car, bro, with a hit? Out doing some testing with Johnny. Got Brian out here. Only way to get faster is to test. Ooh, them rocks spitting up back here. Hold on, let me set you up, my bad. Let me set you up. Yeah, do your thing. I tell you that. Oh, you put.
The magic number, dude, I'm telling you. The 80 beat pass every time. I don't give a fuck.
Hell of a run.
That's
Got that car dialed in, bro. Nice work. You got solder though? Yeah.
Rolling. Turbo jet on that motherfucker. And my body's fucked too.
Oh yeah, that's the end.
That's a nice one. I don't want the body too much. The back one's not the body roll. You don't want no body roll. Yeah. I noticed that. Different. Zero.
Yeah. And how's she running?
Way better.
That was some driving right there.
He's coming for you. I don't even think I caught that. Put my man out over here.
That big ass head was in the way.
When Johnny got out the monster.
That
thing's moving, boy.
Yeah. Turn my shit up.
Whoa!
Yo, you lucky that shit was there, yo. You lucky that dirt was there.
2.6, what did I tell you? The phone was correct. Oh, there you go. Oh! I had that wheel curtain on. There's wrestling John.
That's when it's picking up. Fucking raining.
Hey, grab my car from over there.
You go over in the bushes?
Yeah. What?
Fucking rain. What you got?
That's. I don't believe that though. Ooh. Ooh.
Where he live at?
He lives in Taunton. Oh, where you going, buddy?
Yo, that shit ready to hook and book.
Yeah, it is. Red light. Wow. Rocket. Oh, drinks the fuck. Ooh. Damn. You work with me, right? Or what's happening? Ooh.